Yo everyone, it's Bit, and welcome back to the Bit2Bit Gaming YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into something I'm super excited about, my brand new gaming PC build. I've been itching to upgrade for a while now, and let me tell you, this machine is a beast. So, without further ado, let's take a deep dive into the specs and see what this bad boy can do. Here is my PC specs breakdown. CPU, we're rocking the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 5600 processor. This thing is a multitasking monster, perfect for handling even the most demanding games and streaming simultaneously. Motherboard, the MSI B550M Pro-VDH Wi-Fi is the brains of the operation, providing rock-solid stability and connectivity. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi keeps things clean and cable-free. RAM, we've got 16 GB of Kingston Fury Beast 3200 MHz DDR4 memory, ensuring smooth performance and fast loading times. No more waiting around for your games to get going. Storage, for speed and responsiveness, we've opted for the MSI SPATIUM M370 1500 GB NVMe M.2 SSD. This thing is lightning fast, booting up your system and loading games in a blink of an eye. Graphics card, the Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon RX 6600 8GB GDDR6 graphics card is the heart of the visual powerhouse. It delivers stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates, even in the latest AAA titles. Power supply, the Thermaltake Smart BM2550W semi-modular 80+ bronze power supply provides clean, reliable power to all our components. Plus, the semi-modular design keeps cable clutter to a minimum. Casing, the Gamdias TALOS E3 mesh mid-tower case is not only stylish but also functional, with excellent airflow to keep everything cool under pressure. Monitor, to truly experience the graphics power, we've paired it with the ViewSonic VX2276 SH22-inch 100Hz FHD IPS monitor. The smooth 100Hz refresh rate and vibrant IPS panel will make your games look and feel incredible. Now, specs are one thing, but what about real-world performance? I'll be running some benchmarks on popular games to show you exactly what this PC can handle. We're talking frame rates, temperatures, and overall system stability. Stay tuned. Of course, it's not just about the raw power. I've also added some personal touches to make this build truly mine. From RGB lighting to custom cable management, let's take a closer look at how I've made this PC reflect my style. So, there you have it, folks. My brand new gaming PC build, ready to take on any challenge I throw at it. If you're thinking about upgrading your own rig, hopefully this video has given you some ideas and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, game on.